Scientific investigation question number 2. Using the information from question number 1, match the steps to their terms. So the terms are the different parts of the scientific method that you placed in order in question number 1 from step 1 to 6. So now what I'm asking you to do is to identify the term for the choice that you picked. So when you're talking about do bees prefer Diet Cola, you've got to decide which of these terms that would be. So wherever you placed do bees prefer the cola, then you will go to that step and then you'll select which of these terms up at the top that you think that is. So your choices for terms are collect and analyze data, the conclusion, the experiment, the hypothesis, an observation, or a question or problem. So you'll just select whichever one that you think that it is, and there will only be one response, only one choice per row.